The eruption of the Litli-Hrútur volcano has taken the world by the surprise. The rate of the eruption was astounding 40 cubic meters per second. And now we have a little bit reduced rate. It is almost 10 cubic meters per second. I will explain probably why, what is that the reason. In total, we have around 1 million cubic meters of the lava erupted in this less than 12 hours of eruption. And at the moment, the length of the fissure, which was erupting part of it, which was 1 kilometer, is now reduced to only to 200 meters of it visible. The rest of it probably are erupting through the lava tubes, which are people too close to it. They don't see it. They think that it is not erupting. It's 50 meters high already, but they're flowing under the crust through the lava tubes, gradually forming a shield, as you can see here. The final direction of the flow probably will be toward the south, toward the ocean, which is more safer. But the reduced activity and the harmonic tremors and the earthquakes has a reason probably. We see it on the seismograms. The reduced activity is a harmonic one. Harmonic means it has a cycle. It goes up and down. And there is a reason in my belief for that, and that is related to the tides. Every 6 or 12 hours we will see that this kind of changes happening, or probably even the multiplication of that, 24 hours. I have a little video at the end of this. I will put it there. Water is not the only thing affected by the tides, by the gravity of the moon and the sun. Magma can also be affected.